Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you 5 easy nail art designs. So for the first design, you will need a base coat, white polish, a black striper. So the first step, you're going to apply the base coat to all your nails. Then next you're going to go in with the new polish and apply it to all your fingernails as well. And now going with the white striper, you're just going to go along each finger and just outline the tips. And when done, you're going to paint each tip in. And now going in with the black iridescent glitter striper, I'm going to go ahead and draw 3 curved lines in the corner of my index finger and ring finger. This step is optional, but I thought the nails were kind of plain, so I went in with the black glitter striper and just went underneath all the nails that didn't have a line. And this is how it looks like when it's all done. And now moving on to the next design. You need your white striper. And for the first step, you are going to draw a diagonal line coming from the left side on all your fingers. Then once done, you're going to paint all the corners in. And this is how it looks like when it's all done. And now going in with your black striper, you're going to do the opposite line, and then on each finger, then you're going to paint it in with black polish. This is how it looks like when it's all done. And now moving on with the glitter polish, you're just going to simply paint it on only the black corners of each nail. This is how it looks like when it's all done too. And then now going in with the silver iridescent glitter striper, you're just going to go ahead and draw a line underneath each corner of the white polish. And now with the black glitter polish, you're going to go underneath all the black corners. And this is how it looks like when it's all done. Now, for the next design, you're going to need black polish, and you're going to paint only your pinky, your middle finger, and thumb black. And then now you're going to go on with your glitter polish and only paint your index and ring finger, and you're going to keep painting them until they're fully covered to your liking. This is how it looks like when it's all done. You're now going in with the black striper, you're going to draw like an upside down V, only on the ring finger. And then the pointy little index finger, you're going to draw 2 lines. 2 diagonal lines coming from the left side of the finger. And then once done, you're going to paint each corner in with black polish. And once you clean up the edges and seal it with a top coat, this is how it looks like when it's all done. Now for the next design, you're just going to remove the glitter polish off the ring and index finger. And you're going to paint the index finger all black and go seal it with a top coat. And now the ring finger, you're going to apply chrome base coat only on that nail. And once done, you're going to cure it for 30 seconds. And now you're going to go on with the black chrome gel polish and paint it only on the ring finger. You're going to cure that for 60 seconds. And now I'm going with the silver holographic chrome powder. And you're just going to rub it into the ring finger until it's fully covered and you don't see no more black polish underneath. So this is how it looks like when it's all done. You're going to seal it in with the top coat and cure it for 60 seconds. And when it's all cleaned up, this is how it looks like. Moving on to the last design, which is inspired by this picture. You need pure acetone and a Q-tip that has a point like that. And when starting to design, make sure all your nails are painted a solid color. And now you're gonna start, you're gonna dip the Q-tip in the pure acetone, and then you're gonna make an arch motion on the nail. So basically you're removing the polish off the fingernail in an arch motion. And you're gonna continue doing that until all the polish is off of the nail. And then once it's to your liking, you're gonna go in with the black striper and clean up the arch until you're satisfied with the design. And I did go in and fix it because it was still kind of straight. And then once it's done, this is how it looks like. To hear a quick snap of all the designs, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.